Want to lead a healthy life? Try garlic for the following benefits. Say no to cold. Garlic helps you catch fewer colds. It makes your body stronger against germs. Reduces risk of Alzheimer's and dementia. Garlic keeps your brain healthy. It prevents diseases like Alzheimer's by protecting the brain cells. Improve bone health. It's good for your bones too. Garlic is great for people with joint pain. Lowers cholesterol. Garlic lowers bad cholesterol. That's good for your heart. Prevents cancer. It also helps stop cancer cells from growing. So, try 2 garlic cloves every day with warm water for better health.